Title: Napoleon Bonaparte: The Rise and Fall of an Emperor. Narrator: Welcome to our journey through the life of one of history's most iconic figures, Napoleon Bonaparte. From his humble beginnings on the island of Corsica to his rise as Emperor of France, Napoleon's story is one of ambition, military genius, and ultimate downfall. Scene 1: Early life. Narrator: Napoleon Bonaparte was born on August 15, 1769, in Ajaccio, Corsica. The son of a modest family, Napoleon's early years were shaped by the island's unique culture and its recent integration into France. At the age of 9, he was sent to mainland France for education, eventually enrolling in the prestigious military academy at Braine-l'Château. Scene 2: Rise to Power. Narrator: The French Revolution provided Napoleon with the perfect backdrop to showcase his military prowess. His brilliance was first recognized during the siege of Toulon in 1793, where he played a crucial role in recapturing the city from royalist forces. This victory catapulted him into the national spotlight. Scene 3: The Italian Campaigns. Narrator: In 1796, Napoleon was given command of the French army of Italy. His campaigns in Italy were marked by swift and decisive victories against the Austrians and their allies. These successes not only expanded French territory but also solidified Napoleon's reputation as a military genius. Scene 4: Egyptian Campaign in the coup of 18 Brumaire. Narrator: Napoleon's ambition led him to Egypt in 1798, aiming to disrupt British trade routes and establish a French presence in the Middle East. Although the campaign had mixed military results, it was a scientific triumph, leading to the discovery of the Rosetta Stone. Back in France, political instability plagued the government. Sensing an opportunity, Napoleon returned and orchestrated the coup of 18 Brumaire in 1799, overthrowing the Directory and establishing himself as first consul. Scene 5: The Consulate and Empire. Narrator: As first consul, Napoleon enacted significant reforms, modernizing the French economy, legal system, and education. In 1804, he crowned himself Emperor of the French, ushering in the Napoleonic Empire. His rule brought stability and grandeur to France, but also led to a series of wars across Europe. Scene 6: The Napoleonic Wars and Decline. Narrator: Napoleon's ambition knew no bounds, leading to a series of conflicts known as the Napoleonic Wars. His greatest victory came at the Battle of Austerlitz in 1805, where he decisively defeated the Russian and Austrian armies. However, his invasion of Russia in 1812 marked the beginning of his downfall. The disastrous retreat from Moscow severely weakened his forces. In 1813, the Battle of Leipzig, also known as the Battle of Nations, saw a coalition of European powers decisively defeat Napoleon. By 1814, Paris fell, and Napoleon was forced to abdicate, exiling to the island of Elba. Scene 7: The 100 Days and Final Exile. Narrator: In 1815, Napoleon escaped Elba and returned to France, initiating the period known as the 100 Days. His return rallied support, but it was short-lived. At the Battle of Waterloo, Napoleon faced a coalition led by the Duke of Wellington and Prussian General Blücher. The defeat marked the end of his reign. He was exiled to the remote island of St. Helena, where he spent the remaining years of his life. Scene 8: Legacy. Narrator: Napoleon Bonaparte died on May 5, 1821, but his legacy endures. He reshaped Europe, influenced legal systems worldwide with the Napoleonic Code, and remains a subject of fascination for historians and enthusiasts alike. His life, marked by extraordinary highs and profound lows, continues to be a testament to the complexities of power and ambition. Narrator: Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Napoleon Bonaparte. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical stories and insights. Until next time, farewell.